Let's go. Let's do this unboxing. Got good quality build. I think it's a good material. Feels like brushed aluminum, but I can't tell. Could be just a really good plastic, but I'm pretty sure it's aluminum. It looks good. Feels sturdy. As you guys can see, we are in need of another shower head. This is in our kids' room / guest bedroom, so let's see. I'm sure most people know this, but I didn't find out till literally like a few weeks ago when I was installing our RO system, is that you need to put this threading tape in the direction of the thread. I just usually just put it on there thinking that's enough, but no. You gotta put it in the way of the thread, because if you go the opposite way, then screwing the thread on is just gonna strip it, so it's pointless. One other thing, I don't know if people do this or not, I know I do it. These little things right here in the middle are water limiters. Kind of slows the water pressure down. I like my water pressure pretty high, so I just pop that little thing out and the pressure is a lot better. This is what it looks like with this little limiter filter thingy off. I think that should be good. Usually this is good enough, but yeah, I just took it out with some tweezers. Finish it up by tightening it with a little monkey wrench. It has little grooves here. Probably should have Teflon taped it, but let's run it and see if it leaks. Here's one problem I'm seeing with this. So this shower head obviously is adjustable, it moves great. This little shower attachment goes into here. See this little piece here? It slides right in here and clicks down and secure, but look what happens. This whole thing moves. So then, you know, you can maybe put your finger right there and hold it as a brace or whatever, but it's kind of annoying if you want to pull it out. Like, you gotta use two hands. Like, what are you gonna do? I wish there's a way to make this stiffer, if you could like somehow lock it so that when you move this around, this doesn't do this. I don't know if it bothers you. It does bother me though. All right, let's fire up. Annoying that it's dripping from the top there when it's fully locked in. And then it kind of drips from that section. This is one where it's just a plain sort of, shower. Alright, the second setting here is just for the lawn. Great, but again, focus. So the top section here is the other option, which is cool, but it's going to be leaking on, maybe that one's stopped. So let's go back to this. I don't know, just maybe petty like this. The third setting is these crazy power glasses in the middle, just that. And here is just the shower head. And then if you put it kind of in the middle of just the shower head setting and the next setting, it gives you both. Kind of cool, I guess. I mean, it's better than what we had for around 40 bucks. Pretty good deal. Yeah. It's just the only, major thing I have issue with is just this thing. Right? If I want to pull this out and use it, it's gonna mess up the main shower head. But other than that, build quality feels pretty good. Doesn't feel like plastic. So yeah, all right, I like it.
I broke my globe. Get down. Get down.
It does do it with both. I'm not sure why I didn't do it just then. But love, love, love. Pressure, 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 pressure. Coming from there. This is making water drip all the way from there.
Okay, this is, and then it has like this, and then it has this jet, and then hold on, and then you turn this to that, and then that. It's amazing.
Not to get wet. Whoop. There's a switch.
Very low pressure.